Hey guys, welcome to my class. My name is Praveen. My topic is on psychometric test. We see what is about the psychometric test and needs and assessments, how it will be assessment and creating and standards and advantages and disadvantages. Okay, guys. For first, we see psychometric test. It refers to the mental measurement of any person. It sounds like psychometric. Psycho it sounds mental. Metric it sounds measurement, measuring the ability or attitude or behavior or thinking of the any person is called the psychometric test, guys. So next one we see needs for using psychometric test. Why we should use the psychometric test? It means first point is just provide level of standardization. It's we comes to know standardization means standardization we comes to know before taking that whether this person is ability to do this job or not. Okay, so next one provide reliable and measurable. Provide reliable means we comes to know the statement that the person is very fit for to do the work or not. So completely the psychometric test we are going to implement in the IS, like human resource management, and we see. Okay. Now features of the psychometric test. What is features of the psychometric test? It means standardized procedure. The standardized procedure is sense like this the test will be done to the person. The test for like this test for modules and questions and interviews methods and everything will be the same for the every person. Okay, but results will be vary according to performance and objectivity. What is objectivity? To know this standard and to know the person standard, to know the fit and how we mentally fit. And next one it comes to see that assessment tools for the talent management. Assessment tools means what is the tools is required for to like psycho to do the psychometric test of the person. Means competency assessment. Competency assessments means there will be different persons active and perform like with high expectations, maybe more than the um expectations, and he will perform in a well. So ability test means there will be different tests will be there. In the ability test means what is the ability of that person and how stress he we can manage and how much capacity have, and it's like how he will react to the given targets. Okay, so next we see creating psychometric test. Creating psychometric test, how we have to create the psychometric test to know the employer means like we have. So if we have to create the psychometric test, there is a step, five steps. In the first step is just initial idea for test often merge emerge from the particular needs. First we should, if I am preparing the psychometric test means I have to know what this employees is gonna engage in future. So according to that we have to give the test. If the in companies there are a lot of like work is going on, so for that a lot of people will apply. So when we are attending the when we are attending the interview, that time the interview will be based on that. The interviews tests will be based on that what the person is going to perform in a job role. So according to that test will be conduct. Okay, so if we are going to the just example call centers, it seems like um they will do more calls, like, and they will give the more calls, and they will try to they'll give to training the employee, and they make perfect to work. So like this is, so if non-wise they will check the email, like how what is the email capabilities, and what is the skills he have in email, like to send and business communication, how like the companies side they'll check like. So this is a different tests will be there for the different selection process is going when selecting the candidates, guys. So this is what the psychometrics are. This test will be based on that what features is going to perform. So like that we have to prepare the psychometric test. Next one in second part, the develop appropriate test item. It says like appropriate questions we have to do. Like we have to avoid the like we avoid the unneeded questions. Okay, so next one, third point, the final form of the test developed in the administration arrangement design attempts to the prevent faking an answer or built into the test. Means like avoid the like unneeded questions, like unrelated questions to the work. Means you no need of the, you no need that. See, whether he's going to do voice process or else voice process, but why we have to give the like lot of things. And see, if we are going, what is exactly the main purpose, like what is the work, and according to that we have to test, and what he need, what he like, what is the purpose he came as, based on that you have to do. We should not waste the times. Okay, so next one, the final form of the test developed in the administration arrangements, design attempts to answers and builds, like what I said, avoid, we have to avoid the unneeded or unrequired questions. And next, fourth one, standardization and norming process. Standardization and norming process means for everyone it will be the same guy. So whoever applying the job role in the same job role, the same psychometric tests will be happen. So last one, at this stage the data will be subject to the various reliability and validity analysis. So by doing this psychometric test, the candidates perform, what the candidate perform well. So that answers and solutions will take and analyze the candidate's mental abilities. Okay guys, so that's the reason it's done. And what is the standards of psychometric test? What is the standardization is there in the psychometric test? It means validity. There is a two things is there, validity and in reliability and validity. Reliability, it sense like the whatever the information is given by the candidate, it will be the reliability. How it reliability means, if the candidate is done by the individually, if it's true to him, then we know, come to know, like roughly, okay, is the standard or the main standard is in this level. So validity, it sounds like we can validate the candidate that this guys is having this much capacity to do the work. So based on that we can come to the decision. So what is the benefits for the psychometric test? Psychometric test, by doing the psychometric test, what is the benefits is there? Means benefits is there means, first one, here no bias in the interview. No bias in the interview means there is no fake. We cannot act, there is, even though if lot of things is there, but at least we can reduce little bit, right? So that is what no bias means. Making, when we are conducting a lot of for different for different jobs, for different job roles, for different psychometric tests, different tests will be conducted. So that time everyone doesn't have the at the same time everyone will be not present, so it will be the questions will be different, so job roles will be different, they will be applied. So it will be the different places and different locations will be there. So different question papers will be there, different psychometric tests is be conducted. So that time they can they have the opportunity to perform in the individually, so that we comes to reliable, and so that we can validate, and there is a no bias in this. Okay, and they are consistent and controlled and environment means the candidates in the, like under the under the test, and he will be surveillance under the, like HR. Okay, so next, a third point, they are effective predetermined and they perform conjunction and effectiveness of recruitment, and recruitment also process also it will be the effective. How it sense, like because of that individual performance, and the psychometric test is also based on that. Okay, so next one, last one, you see that they offer self-awareness insights to the candidates as well as organization. The feeling that an individual is learning, developing their own preference and work styles as well as understanding of their colleges. Means by doing the psychometric test, he comes to know like what is the performance, means what is the job role is there. Means it will be roughly he comes to know like, okay, this is the work is done by the insights. That's the reason we are giving this is. So next one, it's the disadvantages of the psychometric. So what is the disadvantages is there, if since unusability for the smaller group means, unusability smaller group means when large group is there, when large of the people is there, that time it will be very, like effective time. But if we are giving to the individual, it takes lot of times. Okay, because if but same, if you compare to a large group, the psychometric test is open in the same time, like lot of people, like 100 to 200 people we can cover, a lot of unlimited numbers we can cover. But in a in a small group means it individually done, no. So it takes like one per person like 1 hour, it may be two, it may be like 2 hours, like based on that company for like for rules regulations norms. Okay, so next one, cannot always predict work performance. It sounds like only the psychometric test, if we the candidates perform well, we cannot predict means we can predict that, like normally we can predict like, or intermediately we can predict, not 100% it will be okay. Okay, if he got the 100 scores, so he'll be good in everything, like it's not like that. So psychometric test, it give rough knowledge of that, like okay he can do, or what is the, like at least what he can perform, so like that's okay. Okay. So next, can be used only as a supplement. So that's what, like it's a psychometric test is what a supplement, like it's a like co understanding, that's like whether we is a fit or not. So like if we give, it should be ready to perform, so like that. So next one, critical for the discrimination means sometime there's options will be there, like how means our friends will be there, so that time our HRs will be there, so that means they will not say that. But the thing is like, we will only under the discrimination, like oh, what, we are not perfect for this job, or what, or our like mental abilities or our mental measurement is lesser than the what they provided, like that our we will think, but that is not the true. Okay, that's why in above they said it's not the 100%. Okay, so it will be do, it will be not do. So that is what the discrimination. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you again guys.